We attended our first National Heavy Duty Truck Rally October 11th through the 17th, 2020 in Hutchinson, Kansas. It was held at the Kansas State Fairgrounds. The mission of the National HDT Rally is to share information about the issues of obtaining, owning, and using an HDT, heavy duty truck, as a fifth wheel RV toter and related products. The rally is a meeting of owners and people contemplating getting an HDT. There are presentation sessions on subjects of interest to HDTs and RVers in general. There are social functions to build relationships with fellow RVers. Safety is a main concern when using an HDT, and you'll learn all about that at the rally. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&M motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. We rode through the fairground to get to the RV park from exit 1, but you can also go through exit 4 off of State Fair Park at the very back end, so you go directly into the RV park. Normally they park back to back like this, but because we're so long and there was very few people in the park, we all just kind of took up the space that we needed without any problems. They have an actual drop box where you can pay when you come in without having to go to an office. We had all our meetings and seminars in the encampment building, and we had the ladies' arts and crafts and social in the 4-H building. Let me tell you a little bit about this park. As I mentioned, it's full hookup with 50 amp. They are open year-round. It's $30 a night. You can get mail delivered there, which I thought was great. The staff was super friendly in the administrative office. This park has tons of buildings. The 4-H building, a domestic arts building, expo center, poultry and pigeon barn, rabbit barn, grandstand, many more. And this park hosts all kinds of events. Private events as well as livestock shows, dog shows, many kinds of RV rallies, concerts and festivals, swap meets, flea markets, crafts and antique fairs, entertainment, kids events, Christmas tree sales, weddings, conventions and trade shows. One of the nicest fairgrounds I've ever seen. Steve and Gail Dixon did an awesome job organizing this. We started the rally by getting our rig weighed by Trey and Susan Selman from RV Safety and Educational Foundation, RVSEF. We had our ceremony to begin with, then we had multiple seminars. And if I heard it once, I heard it 20 times. What a nice group of people. It's so true. Of course, we had lots of fun stuff. We had happy hour every day. We had campfire social gatherings. They had the ladies' craft and social time where we drew an owl. We had a ladies' luncheon to an Amish restaurant, Carriage Crossings. Food was very good. And we visited their gift shop. We had Chinese bingo with wrapped gifts to steal. And one night we played a trivia game called I Should Have Known That for prizes. And of course there's the infamous truck photo lineup. Just lining up right now so that we get an appropriate order by size. So it's going to be quite the trip to do this. And then the little smart cars are starting to show up because they're going to be in the front of all of it. So Steve has got this figured out. They take the picture from up there, gets it all lined up over a period of a couple hours, and then the sun will be perfect so there's no shadow. Then we gotta line up the smart cars.
shut up and sit down.
And then there's the rigs, all kinds of RVs, manufacturers, sizes, and makes. We had show models that were open from SpaceCraft, New Horizons, DRV, and Sport Chassis. Other people showed their campers as well, so that was really nice to see what other people had done to their campers. Then there was lots and lots of food. Potlucks, appetizers, barbecue, breakfast. If you left hungry, it was your fault.
I got the brownie points though.
Chow line.
Thank you, sir.
Man. Here they are now. This is the ridiculous buffet. The best part is making new friends.
Well, you usually go smoother than that. Hey, lay down. Put your butt in.
Good girl, Maggie.
Yep, Great Dane will fit in a smart car. Smile! Say hi, YouTube! Say hi, YouTube!
Hi, YouTube.
Hi, everybody! Say hi, YouTube! We'd like to say thanks to our sponsors for the rally. That was SpaceCraft, New Horizons, RVH Lifestyles, and Deep Space Lighting. If you'd like to attend next year, it'll be in the same location in Hutchinson, Kansas at the fairground, October 10th through the 16th. If you'd like to go to the East Coast Heavy Duty Truck Rally, it'll be in Crossville, Tennessee, April 17th through the 24th. And I believe that the West Coast Heavy Duty Truck Rally that's held in Caldwell, Idaho will be June 14th through the 21st. You can always check online to confirm the dates of the Heavy Duty Truck Rally you'd like to attend. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.